Hello and welcome back to our channel The Running Bulls. Let's first of all see our today's profit. The view that I have told you yesterday in the video, if you have seen that, I'll keep the link of that video in the description. So in that I have clearly mentioned that if the market will break the support line, we can trade. So first of all, let's look the profit of the expiry. Traders, we have taken a position. हमने अभी अभी 36,300 की पी शॉर्ट की है और 34,900 की पी चार लॉट बाय किए हैं। पहले दो क्वांटिटी सेल की थी, फिर उसके बाद दो क्वांटिटी फिर सेल की है। आपको ऑर्डर बुक दिखा देता हूँ। ये हमारी ऑर्डर बुक है। पहले मैंने चार लॉट बाय किए मार्जिन बेनिफिट के लिए, दो लॉट सेल किए मैंने 202 रुपीज़ पे एंड उसके बाद 245 पे दो लॉट सेल किए। इसको रिफ्रेश करके आपको दिखा देता हूँ। सो ट्रेडर्स, करंटली प्रॉफिट चल रहा है हमारा अराउंड, चेक कर लेते हैं प्रॉफिट कितना चल रहा है। इसको रिफ्रेश होने देते हैं। 6000 के आसपास प्रॉफिट चल रहा है। We'll hold on this position and we'll put a stop loss and we'll keep trailing it. So friends, for tomorrow, let's see where the Nifty and Bank Nifty can work. So for tomorrow, we have a great resistance at 17,500 because it's a previous swing and it's a round number also. So 17,500 will be a great resistance. So what you can do is, if Bank Nifty opens gap down, only in the case of gap down, if Nifty opens gap down, so you can sell a 17,000 call option and buy two lots of 18,000 call options with a stop loss of today's closing. But if market opens gap up or it crosses this one, so you can sell a 17,300 put option and buy two lots of 16,500 put option. Remember, this is a bearish view. Let me mark it with red. This is a bearish view. This is a bullish view. We have a good support at 17,250. No matter what happens, if this is broken in tomorrow's trade, so we have a good we can see a good reversal point till 17,000 or 16,900. Let's see the Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, there is a trend line that was going on and still it was not able to breach it. So the upper level will be of 36,600, 700, no matters at what time it reaches. Let's see the resistance and the support zones. So there is a huge resistance. There is a lack of momentum in the Bank Nifty also, but along with that there is a huge resistance around these levels, 36,700 and 800, along with the line, as you can see. So there is a huge resistance. Along with that there is a huge resistance at 37,000, but first it has to be broken. The good news is that there is a round bottom type of pattern is there. So once the neckline is broken, we can see a good momentum till 37,300, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like on Monday. So for trading in bullish view, like if it crosses, so what you can do, you can simply sell a 36,000 PE one lot and buy two lots of 35,000. But if this fails, if by mistake it breaches 36,300, you can sell 37,500 C one lot and buy two lots of 38,500. This will be a bearish view. Remember guys, if at any point it breaches, let me zoom in, I'll show you the 15-minute chart. If any point Bank Nifty breaches 36,300 mark, remember, you can aggressively sell it, and the first target will be of 36,000, then the next target will be of 35,900. remember guys, but it has to breach and a 15-minute candle like this. A 15-minute candle has to be done, then only you can play with that way. So if you like the video, please comment in the video section what you want to know. I'll let you know about everything. So if you like the channel, if for help and support, if you like the channel, please do subscribe the channel and click the like button, bell icon, and stay tuned with us.